Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. And let's draw together.
Today, we're going to draw something magical. Yes, you guessed it, we're drawing Glinda from Wicked 2. And let's bring this beautiful witch to life together. Let's begin with her right eye. Start by drawing a smooth, curved line for the upper eyelid. Make sure it has a gentle arch. Glinda's eyes are soft and full of warmth, not sharp or harsh. Once that's done, move to the inside of the eye and draw the iris, a lovely, rich brown circle. Add a tiny white oval to create a glimmer of light in her gaze. That little reflection will make her eyes come alive. Shade the iris gently, leaving the highlight untouched. Now glide over to her left eye. Draw the upper eyelid the same way, keeping the shape balanced. Darken the upper lash line just a bit, then flick small, upward strokes for her lashes. Elegant, not too thick. After that, add the iris and give it the same warm brown tone with that sparkling highlight. Above each eye, trace two short, curved lines for her eyelid creases. These soft arcs will help define the shape and make her eyes look more natural. Next, sketch her eyebrows. Begin on the right, then draw the left one to match. Let them follow a gentle curve, not too flat, not too arched, just enough to frame her face gracefully. Eyes and brows are done. It's time for her nose. Draw a soft line for the bridge, and then two tiny curves for the nostrils. Keep it subtle and light. Glinda's face has a delicate, balanced look. Then, add her lips. Draw the top one with two small arches that meet in the center, and the bottom lip slightly fuller. Give her a faint, confident smile. Downward, outline her chin using a smooth, curved line that tapers gently toward the center. Then bring your line up both sides to frame her cheeks and face. Her face should feel oval and soft, not angular. Once the face outline is ready, move upward to draw the top of her head and hairline. Sketch a curved line that follows the shape of her forehead, but make sure to give the hair some volume. Glinda's golden locks are soft and full, slightly lifted at the crown. Add a few gentle waves to show the flow of her hair. Now it's time for her earrings. Start with the left one, a small circle with a bright gem inside, and then repeat the same for the right. These shimmering details give her that classic fairy tale elegance. Next, shape her neck. Draw two curved lines coming down from the chin, then lightly sketch two small arcs to mark her collarbones. These little curves add grace and realism to her posture. Moving to the gown, begin with the V-shaped neckline. Let the lines dip softly at the center, giving it that refined, flattering shape. From there, continue downward to outline the torso. Remember to keep her waist gently narrow. Glinda's figure is elegant and flowing. Now comes the fun part, her puffy shoulder sleeves. Start with the left side and use wavy, curving lines that move up and down to form soft folds. They should look airy and full, like layers of delicate fabric. Connect them smoothly to her shoulder. Then, repeat on the right side, keeping both sides symmetrical and balanced. After that, extend her arms downward from the sleeves with smooth vertical strokes. Make sure they look relaxed, not too stiff. Once the arms are complete, it's time to return to her hair. From the top left side of her head, draw long, flowing lines that fall gracefully past her shoulders. Repeat on the right side, then connect both sides at the bottom with a smooth, curved line. Her hair should feel light, shiny, and full of movement. And of course, we can't forget her crown, the symbol of her magic and grace. Begin at the center top of her head and draw a series of small, rounded arches. Stack these curved shapes in layers, one above the other like pearls resting on top of each other. Keep them symmetrical, then add smaller curved lines inside to create depth and shine. The crown should sparkle. It's what makes her look truly royal. Now, take your darker pen or fine marker and carefully trace over all the main lines. Go slowly around the eyes, lips, and crown. These are the key features. Outline the hair and gown with steady strokes, making sure the entire drawing stands out. Don't forget to keep some lines thin and light around delicate areas like her face. And there she is, our gorgeous Glinda from Wicked 2. She's elegant, bright, and full of kindness, just like in the movie. I absolutely love how her lavender and blue gown complements her soft golden hair. She looks straight out of a dream.
All right, now that we've finished the outline of our beautiful Glinda, it's time to bring her to life with colors. This is where the magic really begins. So get your colored pencils or markers ready, and let's make her shine. Let's start with her skin. Use a soft peach or cream tone, something warm and gentle. Begin by filling in her face, then move down to her neck and shoulders. Blend the color evenly so it looks smooth and natural. Be careful around the eyes and lips. We'll add more details there later. Once her skin tone looks nice and even, switch to a brown pencil for the eyebrows. Gently shade along the lines we drew earlier. Don't press too hard, just enough to show her elegant brow shape. Next, we'll color her hair. Choose a golden yellow to fill in the main sections. Glinda's hair is like sunlight, soft, glowing, and full of warmth. Start from the top of her head and move downward following the flow of her hair. Now move to her puffy shoulder sleeves. Take a light purple or lavender shade and color those soft, wavy folds. Follow the direction of the curves so it looks natural and flowing. These sleeves should feel light and airy, like delicate fabric shimmering in the light. After that, switch to a pale blue or soft turquoise for the bodice of her gown. Fill it in evenly, leaving small spaces for highlights that we'll add later. Her dress is magical, so let it glow softly, not too dark. Moving up to her crown, use a gentle gray tone for the base. This will serve as the background color. Keep your strokes light so it looks metallic, but still delicate. We'll make it sparkle soon. Now that we've finished coloring the main areas, let's start bringing more life and depth into the picture. Go back to her face and add a few finishing touches. Color her lips with a soft red, then add a tiny highlight using a white or a light peach tone to make them look glossy. Next, let's give her cheeks a natural blush. Use a gentle pink and softly blend it in circular motions. Don't overdo it, just enough to give her that healthy, glowing look. To add more depth, use a very light brown to shade along the sides of her face, under the chin, along the nose bridge, and slightly under the eyebrows. This helps define her features and gives a realistic touch. Now take that same light brown and fill in the shadowed parts of her hair, especially the strands behind her neck and shoulders. This adds depth and makes her hair appear thicker. Then grab a bright yellow and a white pencil to add highlights. Gently layer them over the top parts of her hair, especially where the light would naturally hit, around the crown, the upper waves, and near her face. This will make her hair shimmer beautifully. To make it even more dynamic, use a soft brown to fill some shaded areas within her hair. Blend the darker and lighter tones together, so her hair looks full and natural. Remember, the areas hidden behind her shoulders or near her neck should be a bit darker. That's what makes the drawing realistic. Now move back to her dress color area. Use a soft lavender shade to color the small curved parts around the neckline, the delicate collar, and the upper chest area. Continue down to the collarbone and chest. Use your skin tone pencil again, then gently add a touch of light brown to shape her collarbones. Blend softly. You just want a hint of shadow to show dimension. Now, let's return to the crown. Now that the gray base is done, add tiny accents of white and black on alternating parts of the circles. The white highlights will make the gems sparkle, while the black adds depth between the layers. With this, the tiara looks shiny and three-dimensional, just like real jewels catching the light. Next, let's decorate her bodice. Use shades of blue, pink, and pale pink to draw the swirling, curved patterns. These little curls and waves make her gown look magical and elegant. Don't worry about being perfect. The beauty is in the flow and color blending. Finally, sprinkle tiny white dots and highlights across her sleeves and bodice. These glowing accents will make her outfit look like it's sparkling with fairy dust. And before we finish, let's give her one last touch. Add a little more blush to her cheeks. Just a soft layer of pink to make her look warm and alive. And there we go. Our beautiful Glinda is complete. Thank you so much for coloring with me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your artwork in the comments. I can't wait to see how your Glinda looks. See you next time, my little artists!